Hello everyone. Today, let us introduce how to utilize general purpose input or output GPIO in Java. The YY3568 motherboard utilizes the Rockchip RK chipset platform. Equipped with a quad-core 64-bit Cortex A55 processor, the maximum clock speed reaches 2 GHz. The motherboard integrates a dual-core GPU and an efficient neural processing unit NPU, offering superior performance. It features a rich set of functional interfaces and boasts powerful multimedia capabilities. It is suitable for applications in the IoT, industrial control, smart transportation, and other fields. It also exhibits unique advantages in lightweight and artificial intelligence applications. Navigate to the official website. Select the Android Application Development Guide. On the Java level, we simply need to follow the steps outlined here to complete the process. Firstly, create a new project. Choose native C++. Name the project and package according to the definitions provided here. Of course, you can also customize it as needed. However, you will need to manually modify the package name when importing the sample later. Choose C++11. Switch the view to the project perspective. Next, download the attachment. Overwrite the files with the same names in the project with the files from the attachment. After completing all the steps, let's proceed to explain the code. The layout interface is relatively straightforward. In the upper left corner is a button, and in the middle is a string. The interaction part loads two local libraries, GPIO and GPIO, in a static code block. These native libraries act as a bridge for interaction with C++ code through the JNI. The source code for GPIO is in the file named nativelib.cp. It provides a JNI function that returns a string, hello, from C++. The source code for GPIO is in the file named test.gpio.c. It defines several functions at the beginning for controlling the GPIO pins. These functions primarily involve operations such as open, read, and write. The JNI function at the bottom is the focal point. It is the one that gets called by Java. In the JNI function, the GPIO pin is first exported, and then its direction is set to output. The function then enters a loop that iterates 5 times, setting the GPIO pin to a high level and then to a low level, with a 1-second interval between each change. The pin number is defined here, which is 28. In this case, we can modify it to the pin number of the LED. This makes it easier to observe. The method for calculating the pin number is provided here. Let's return to the Java code. In the onCreate method, we call the string fromny function to return a string to a text view for display. That is to say, the final interface we see displays the string hello from C++ in the center, instead of hello world. Set up an event listener for the button. Click. When the button is pressed, a new thread is created to invoke the GPIO function. Implement control over the GPIO. Next, we will connect the YY3568 to the computer. First, use the add-b tool to export the GPIO that needs to be operated, and set the permissions so that all users can read and write to the device. Finally, we run the program. You can observe the LED toggling on and off 5 times, which is consistent with the expected outcome. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any ideas, feel free to share. Subscribe our channel for more videos.